Are you an aspiring freelancer? Or gusto mo bang maging virtual assistant pero beginner ka and hindi mo alam kung paano mo sisimulan yung virtual assistant career mo? Or nahihirapan ka maghanap ng platforms from where you can find your first client? Let me help you through this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is RJ. If you are new here on my channel, we upload videos about work from home and earn from home tips. Kaya naman kung interested ka into this kind of videos, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button below. Click mo na rin yung notification bell para wala kang ma-miss na bagong video uploads. And guys, running pa rin ang ating road to 15k subscribers wherein may 5 mananalo ng worth 200 pesos of GCash. Kung interested ka to join this giveaway, visit our Facebook page. Nandyan sa ating description box yung link. So yan, balik tayo guys sa ating topic. In today's video, pag-usapan naman natin yung pagiging virtual assistant, especially sa ating mga beginners. Paano ka nga ba mag-start without any experiences? And paano mo ba makukuha yung first client mo as a beginner to being a virtual assistant? So in today's video, pag-usapan natin, ano ba yung tinatawag natin na virtual assistant? What are the kinds of virtual assistant? Ano ba yung mga usual task ng isang VA? Where can we apply and how much can we earn as a virtual assistant? So dahil sa pandemic guys, most of the clients from different countries, even dito sa ating bansa, nag-venture na into online businesses. So most of these clients, they have their online stores from where they sell their products or services. When it comes to business, there are a lot of aspects that you need to focus on. Of course, yung mga client na yan, kailangan nilang i-focus yung mga parts wherein it will affect or it will help them grow their business or to scale their business. Hindi kayang gawin ng iisang tao lang yan. That's why yung mga clients, nag-hire sila ng virtual assistants to help with their needs. So, dyan ka ngayon papasok as a virtual assistant. So, technically, you will be working remotely, you will be communicating with this client, and gagawin mo yung mga specific task kung saan kailangan nila ng tulong. Ano ba yung mga kinds or types ng VA na pwede mong pasukin? Meron diyang e-commerce VA, meron din tayo guys mga Amazon VAs, digital marketing virtual assistant, meron ding real estate virtual assistants, graphic design VA, admin VA, customer service VA, or social media VA. So, sobrang dami ng scope ng pagiging virtual assistant, guys. So, yung klase ng pagiging virtual assistant na yan, nakadepende yan, of course, dun sa skills na kaya mong i-offer to client. Say, for example, you're good with managing social media accounts. So, you can offer your clients the service of putting more impressions on their social media platforms. So, pwede kang maging social media VA. Yung mga skills naman na to guys, na sinasabi natin about being a virtual assistant, hindi lang yan makikita sa mga experience. Even if you are a beginner, you can still possess these skills na hinahanap ni client. Paano nga ba? Ang magandang example dito ay yung mga skills when it comes to using Google Drive tools or Microsoft Office tools. Hindi lang naman yung may experience yung nakakaalam niyan, di ba? So even if you don't have any idea about being a virtual assistant and you know such admin skills, then you can definitely apply, lalo na kung yan yung hinahanap ni client. Kung meron ka namang mahanap na client and there's one specific skill na hindi mo kaya, remember guys, in freelancing, you need to help yourself then. You need to help yourself learn these skills by means of research, watching video tutorials, attending to free trainings or free courses. So there are a lot of ways for you to learn all the skills you need to learn para makuha mo tong specific client na gusto mo. Itong mga bagay na to, sinasabi ko to kasi mas maganda na kahit beginner ka, mag-apply ka and you can already tell the client na you have the skills, di ba? Mas mataas yung chance na makuha ka niya. So ngayon, pag-usapan natin guys, ano yung mga usual task ng mga virtual assistants. So gaya nga ng sabi ko, dahil sobrang lawak ng scope ng pagiging virtual assistant, yung mga task mo will depend on your niche. Kunyari, you applied for an admin VA. So yung mga task mo dyan ay most of the time administrative task. Managing data, scheduling appointments, database management, file management. So yung mga most of the time is admin task lang. If you are an e-commerce VA, yung mga task mo are something related to their online business. Kunyari, product listing, website management, order fulfillment, or pwede ka ring ma-assign to customer service and social media. Your tasks as a virtual assistant may vary dun sa niche mo. The first best thing you need to do is to find your niche. Kung saan ka ba mas comfortable, ano ba yung mga skills na mas kaya mong i-offer kay client. Ngayon guys, dako na tayo dun sa ating main point of this video wherein I will share 10 platforms from where you can apply as a virtual assistant without any experience. So let's start with the freelancing platforms called onlinejobs.ph, Upwork, and freelancer.com. Ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is to create your account and then find your clients. Yung mga link for these freelancing platforms, ilalagay ko yan sa description box and sa pinned comment para ma-check nyo sila later. I-type nyo lang yung exact keywords, then mag-appear na sa results yung mga available job positions. You can earn from $3 to $10. The fourth platform from where you can apply or look for your clients is Facebook groups. So may 3 groups ako na masasuggest guys, pero aside from these 3 Facebook groups, marami pa rin kayong group na pwedeng salihan to find your client. So nandyan si Home-Based Work, Online Filipino Freelancers, and Filipino Virtual Assistants, voice and non-voice. So dyan, based on my observation, may mga nag-offer ng from $3 to $8 per hour. The fifth platform is called Cyberbacker. So, dito kay Cyberbacker, nag-hire din sila ng beginners. You can earn up to $1,500. You will undergo 2 assessment, 2 interviews, and they also pay through Payoneer. Number 6 is Magic. So, dito kay Magic, the average pay is $5 per hour, and you will be paid through Deal. Also, you will undergo 2 interviews. Number 7 is Outsourcing Angels. Dito naman kay Outsourcing Angels, hindi nila dinisclose yung information about payment or payment method dun sa website nila. Number 8 guys is Athena. Dito kay Athena, you will be paid $3.5 per hour during training, and then after training, magja-jump yung rate mo to $4.5 per hour. And they also pay through Payoneer. The next one is My Outdesk. So with My Outdesk, you can earn from $600 to $800 per month. And the last website, guys, is AutoGrow. So, kay AutoGrow, you can earn up to $2,000 per month. Payment method is also not disclosed. So, these are the 10 platforms, guys, from where you can find your first client as a beginner to being a virtual assistant. Meron silang iba-ibang requirements or technical requirements when it comes to your laptop, internet, or kung ano man yung mga device na kailangan mo. Also, they have different qualifications even if you're a beginner. So, may mga skills din syempre silang hahanapin. So, para sa mga aspiring virtual assistants na still naghahanap ng client until now, I hope na mahanap nyo na yung client nyo from one of these platforms na minention ko. So, yan lang guys yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo for today, and I hope na nakatulong to sa mga aspiring virtual assistants. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop your comments below. Please don't forget to like this video and share this to your friends and family. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos about work from home and earn from home tips. Thank you again guys for watching up until this point, and I will see you again next week. Bye!